take them off.
It's alright, we're all girls, who cares?
I'll be right back. It's gonna feel weird.
Well, there's boys, but, you know.
Oh, well, they're not ever gonna remember. Unless you have identity.
Dick, swim! Go swimming!
I got one.
It's too cold for him?
I tried sending him down, he's still not used to it.
This is what I used to do when I was
Say, Papa. My butt's
This is
still
what
wet.
I did. Look it.
Oh, there you go. It's okay, look.
He goes,
Look, Papa. Look, Papa. There, you're not used to it.
yeah. It's just like when you get in a pool, you have to just jump in.
See, it's like, it's not even warm right here. It's just the sun.
It's warm or no?
It's not even warm. Here's your ducky, Papa. Oh my god, water boy.
See, I told you you'd fit in the bum box.
Did he drink it?
Yeah. Well, he just kind of like put his face in there.
Are you okay?
Oh, goodness. You don't drink the water.
Don't you hear Brad Paisley's song? Don't drink the water?
God bless you. God bless you.
Say hi, Mama.
Derek, swim. Show everybody how you swim. Ay. Whoa. Cool shorts.
A little big.
Huh.
You play with Tia's feet?
Because that way I could have just wanted to take it.
Mm-hmm.
He doesn't want to sit down again?
Hey, Papa.
You see the bubbles?
You want to sit? He's like, no.
He just wants
Ready?
to stand everywhere.
I think he's tired of sitting.
Oh, are you cold? You want to see the bubbles?
No, there.
You can't go face first. You have to sit down.
It's okay, Papa.
Derek.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Here.
Hi, baby.
Here, sit down with me first. Is that good? Is that a good start? Is this a good start?
It's hot.
Feels good in here. It's like my butt, but.
Oh, you're scratching me. You're scratching me.
Okay.